Hello everybody, welcome back. Dadkoo dhan soo dhawaada. Hadda maxaan sameynaynaa sidoo cunuga markana u move gareeyo, sidoo u jump gareeyo, sidoo lugta u taagtaagayo movement aan sameynaynaa inshallah called Simon Says. Okay, are you ready? We're gonna do Simon Says. Okay, Simon Says, touch your head. Simon Says, turn around. Good. Simon Says, jump up and down. Up and down. Simon Says, touch your toes. Touch your toes. Where's your toes? Good. Simon Says, touch your nose. Simon Says, close your eyes. Ah, nice. What else? Simon Says, smile. Good. Okay, now you ready? We're gonna do the pictures on the cards. What is this one? What is he doing?
Rocket ship.
Rocket ship. Good job. Okay, next one. What is this one? What is he doing?
Ladder.
Ladder. Nice work, Ria. All right, let's see what's the next one. What is this? Slide. Can you show me the slide? Nice. All right, here comes the next one. What is this?
London Bridge.
It is London Bridge. London Bridge. Okay, next one. What is this?
Airplane.
Airplane. Good job, Ria. I like how you're trying to match the picture. Good work. And then this? Exercise. So what is he doing from side to side? Good. So hadda maxaa fiirinayna ciyaalka markano hadday markano direction follow gareyn karaan, hadday lugta kor u qaadi karaan, hadday markano hadda turn around hadday jeesan karaan. Oh, Simon Says indaha xir. So any movement markano ay sameyn karaan orodka ama gacmaha waxaas dhan hadda sameynaysa. Well, thank you so much and kana waa mahadsantihiin oo naga soo qayb gasheen. We will see you guys on our next one.